Perched gracefully among massive, sun-warmed rock formations, a charming whitewashed villa blends effortlessly into the rugged beauty of the coastal landscape. Its bright, chalky walls gleam in the sunlight, casting crisp shadows across the curves of its architecture, while the rich terracotta tiles of its roof glow warmly under the wide open sky. The house feels at once ancient and timeless, like it has always belonged here, settled between stone and sea. Every element of the villa is shaped by its surroundings. The natural rock outcrops are not obstacles but features, rising around and even into the home's layout. A uniquely shaped swimming pool is carved partly into the stone itself, its edges following the contours of the terrace in soft, organic lines. The water shimmers a brilliant turquoise, mirroring the sea beyond and creating a seamless visual connection between pool and ocean. Wooden framed doors and windows punctuate the white walls with warmth and texture. Each frame is slightly weathered by salt and sun, giving the villa a lived-in, authentic charm. Wide arched doorways open onto shaded patios and breezy verandas, offering stunning panoramic views of the horizon. Inside, light pours through the windows, filling each space with a bright, airy feeling and casting shifting patterns across the stone floors. The air is thick with the scent of sea spray, sun-baked stone, and flowering herbs tucked into terracotta pots scattered around the terraces. The wind hums through the rocks, and the sound of waves echoes below. It's a place where nature leads and architecture follows, where stone, sea, and shelter coexist in quiet harmony. This villa is more than a retreat. It's a coastal sanctuary sculpted by land and light, grounded in natural elegance and Mediterranean soul.